Assalamu alaikum. My name is Najeebullah from DVM 5th semester evening. Today I am going to discuss with you the family Hippoboscidae. Hippoboscidae common names are forest flies and purpura. General characteristics: females lay fully mature larvae one at a time which pupate immediately. Adult male and female both present on blood of animal and birds. They have broad, comparatively dorso-ventrally flattened, soft leather-like abdomen. Wing may be present or may be absent. Legs provided with strong claws with which they remain attached to the body of the host are present on the body. They have preferential host but may attack other hosts. Hippoboscidae has three genus: Hippobosca, Melophagus, Pseudolincia. Our main topic of discussion is Hippobosca. Hippobosca had following species: Hippobosca equina जो इक्वाइंस में होती है और इसको हॉर्स लाउस फ्लाई भी कहते हैं. हाइपोबोस्का मैकुलेटा जो कैटल में होती है और कैटल लाउस फ्लाई कहते हैं. हाइपोबोस्का रफल भी और ये डॉग में होती है, इसको डॉग लाउस फ्लाई भी कहते हैं. Now we are going to discuss the morphology of Hippobosca. These are dark brown flies with yellow spot and marking on the body, both on the thorax and abdomen. Comparatively round head and abdomen, soft and leather-like. Its wings are overlapping at rest with venation towards the anterior margins only. Wings strong, proboscis and legs with claws. They are found all over the country. No, life cycle of the Hyperbosca. Female laid fully mature larva when at a time in a sheltered place near the root or soft humus soil. They fully mature larva become pupa almost immediately. Larvae are yellowish in color and during the formation of pupa it turns black. Larvae are about 4 to 5 mm in size with dark spot on its body. Pupal period is influenced by temperature and it becomes adult after 15 to 20 days. No hyperbosca habits. Flies are most common in summer days and prefer sunny weather. Mostly remains on the body of the host, generally leave the host either for laying larvae or very strong disturbed. They remain on the inner side of the thigh, perineal, pubic, or head where they least disturbed by the host. No pathogenesis of Hippobosca. Hippobosca bite and cause irritation and painful, and which disturb the animal in routine grazing and feeding. Hippobosca feed on blood but not act as a carrier of pathogen organism except Trypanosoma thaleria, which is non-pathogenic. Control of Hippobosca. Hippobosca is very easily controlled because they remain on the body of the host. Even regular spraying and dipping with insecticide can easily control the flies. Other genus of the family Hippoboscidae is genus Melophagus. Its species is Melophagus ovinus and its common name is sheep cats. Morphology of the Melophagus. They are parasites of sheep and spend the whole life of on the body of the host. They are wingless, leathery parasites. The head fixed on the thorax is not movable. Strong clawed legs are attached to the thorax. Thorax is brown in color and abdomen is grayish in color. Proboscis projects anteriorly from the head. Distribution. All over the world, Melophagus is found in sheep only. Its life cycle consists of larva, pupae, and adult. Female laid one larva at a time on the body of the host, and larva attached to the wall of the sheep with sticky substance which cover the larva when laid. Larvae are totally immotile, dark yellow when laid and transform into chestnut brown pupa almost immediately. Adults emerge in 19 to 23 days depending upon the atmospheric temperature. In a very cold climate, pupa stage is extended up to 36 days. A female can lay 10 to 15 larvae during its life of 4 to 5 months. Pathogenesis of Malophaga. The flies suck huge amount of blood and heavy infection may cause anemia in animals. Its bite is very painful and irritating. The animal scratch and causes loss of wool at that place. The feces of flies cause dark stain of the wool which are not easily removable and permanently cause loss of value of the wool. They transmit non-pathogenic trypanosoma malophagium in sheep. Control of the genus Malophaga. Regularly and timely shearing of sheep reduces the population to a great extent because they are present in the wool of the animal. Animal protected against cold weather and sheared and dipped with insecticide may lead to control of Malophaga flies to a great extent. Most part of genus Hippoboscidae consist upper lips, pair mandible, hypopharynx, epipharynx paired, maxilla lower and lips labium. Because the mouthpart of insects are greatly modified in many species, the principal types are given below. Chewing types. Mandible masticate the food and maxilla and labium serve to push the particle into mouth. Grasshoppers and beetles and ants have this type of chewing mouth part. Cutting and sponging type. The cutting and sponging type mouth part. Mandible are in the form of sharp blade and maxilla are long and stripe-like. Maxilla and mandible cut and tear the skin of the host. This type of mouthpart present in horseflies. Other is parasitic and sucking type mouthpart. This mouthpart, this type of mouthpart is present in flies, bees, bedbugs. Other is chewing and lapping type. The labrum and mandible are similar with grasshopper. However, maxilla and labium are modified as a elongated structure by which the food is drawn up. This type of mouthpart is present in bees and wasps. Sponging mouthpart. This is similar to cutting and sponging type, but mandible and maxilla are non-functional. Remaining parts from the proboscis with a sponge-like apex called labella is present. This type of mouthpart is present in non-biting dipterans. That's all from my side.